You've landed on the Moon Show, and today we're gonna talk about something that is currently making money in this market that I am personally not involved in because I don't know anything about it, but you do.
Yeah.
Jay Spizzle, how are you doing?
I'm doing very, very good. How are you?
Very, very well. So, I mean, I was better, of course, when Bitcoin was around 100K, but
Right.
but anyways, so you're telling me that first of all, you actually took $20 and made it into how much?
$2 million.
2 million, and you did that with meme coins,
All with meme coins, 100%.
which is to me very crazy because I thought everyone loses money in meme coins, but and you're also not an insider, right?
No, not at all.
Yeah, so you basically, I mean, you're gonna have to explain to everyone because you have to let us know how to do it because I somehow wanna also know. But okay, so first of all, meme coins is something that I'm personally not trading because I just feel like I don't have the time to do so. But you actually spend a lot of time
Yes.
in that industry, like niche, and you're watching live streams and you can explain everything. But you're basically devoting a lot of time, and of
Yes.
course you have a YouTube channel where you explain to
Yes.
people how to do it. So you
Yes.
can also go and check that out. Jay Spizzle, link down below. I think we need to break your channel up to how many subscribers you have now?
I think it's 784.
Which is disgustingly low for the value that you bring because those people there are making money.
Yes.
And if you guys want to make money with meme coins, don't follow me. Follow Jay Spizzle, link down below. Let's make sure we break above 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
All right, so okay, why don't you explain to us how you do it?
Yeah, so basically the story goes like this. A couple years ago, I was scrolling through YouTube and I stumbled upon a video just like this one. And there was this guy that was talking about how he was making $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month trading meme coins. And I thought, why not give it a try? So my story is I put in just $20 on Pump Fund and I would just trade $5 at a time to start with. And from the very, very first day, I was profitable. And I was like, okay, this ain't so bad. And so I started trading $20, $30, $50, $100, $200. And I mean, within the first week, I was making hundreds of dollars. I'd say after the first month, it was 5,000, and I scaled it very, very quickly. $10,000, 20,000, 30,000. And there was like 3 months in a row back in October, I was making over $100,000 a month. But you see, the thing about meme coins is if you lose, you can learn something from it. Yes, it's very, very risky, but unlike gambling where you only have a percentage chance to win, and that's ever what you get, with meme coins, you can learn. And so that's what I did.
It kind of sounds a little bit like poker then, because in poker you can also learn,
Yeah.
and then you can beat the market.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
in meme coins, if you learn and understand the overall mechanics, then you can actually make money. So I think with trading and poker, it's the same. Correct me if I'm wrong, because basically only 80% of people in poker and trading actually make money because only like 20%.
Yeah.
80% lose money. And that's just how it works. Like the majority lose because they don't really understand. They just go in and they gamble basically.
Yeah.
But the 10-20% that do the research and follow and subscribe to channels like yourself, they are able to extract money from the market.
Yes.
So okay, that makes sense to me. But how exactly do you do it then?
Yeah, so good question. So I trade what's called new pairs. So I'm setting on a website called Padre, or it's formerly known as Padre, now Terminal, and they have a section on their website that has live streams. So when people are making these coins, there's actually a face connected to it. So just like you're watching this video right now, there's a person live talking to you. And so you can kind of get a feel of the face behind the screen, and you can ask yourself, do I trust this guy? Does he have a good setup? Is he a business person? Does he have a big X following? And when you do that on Padre, in real time, these brand new coins come up. And that's actually how I have a 90% win rate on the daily for 2 years. In fact, I've never had a weekly loss at the end of the week before. I've always profited.
Which is crazy because the prices of meme coins have, of course, not been very good
Yeah.
in the past few months. So
Right.
it sounds almost unbelievable. But I mean, I know that you're talking facts. So it's just, to me, very, very crazy. But and you're saying like even in this market right now, it's working.
Oh yeah, even in this market right now, which believe it or not, Memecoin volume is near all-time high right now. Like, I know it's hard to believe, but Memecoin volume is just like casually sitting at like $400 or $500 million in volume over on Pump Fund and on Pump Swap. So there is plenty of money to be made. And the thing about memes, the whole time is, so I consider myself a day trader. You know, so I sit there for 4, 5, 6 hours a day trading. And so it doesn't matter if the price of Bitcoin went down 10 or 20% that day or that week, meme coins move just as fast or even faster when that happens, because the lower price of Solana, the more buys and sells can come in with Solana.
Okay, but then basically you're not buying meme coins for any long-term holding.
No, not
You're
at all.
just quick in, quick out, right?
Yeah. Depending on what they look like, who they are, if they have a following. Very rarely do I hold overnight. Very, very rarely.
Okay, so I guess that that's the way to make money from meme coins. It's short term, in and out, not investing long term. Because whenever I buy meme coins, it's always going down eventually. So so I'm doing it wrong. You're doing it right. So
yeah. It's I mean 10x's, not financial advice, but 10x's do happen all the time over there within 5 or 10 minutes. And you know, yes, that's a very, very small percentage chance, and so you got to be very, very careful, and you got to put in that time to learn the market to be able to find those ones. But I can find them.
Okay, but you're not launching your own meme coins, right?
Not usually. I have in the past before, and I might in the future, but 99% of all of them, I just trade new pairs from other people.
Okay. Makes sense. I mean, guys, not my world. Meme coins is something I leave to you.
Yeah.
If you want to go check out his channel, it is a fabulous channel. I did watch a few videos and I actually learned a lot about meme coins. I just personally don't have the time to sit and do that kind of day trading. But I know that some of you guys are looking for ways to make money in this bear market, and maybe you have the answer, right? So
yeah, I have a tutorial on my channel. It will be one of the most recently updated videos on there. If you guys want to go through and see a tutorial on how I look for these meme coins, how to avoid the obvious 99% of scams, and just trading tools like buy orders, sell orders, things like that you need to trade in today's market, it will all be on that video.
So what's the name of the video?
It'll be Padre/terminal trading, how I made $2 million.
Okay, cool. I'll also put it in the description and I'll put it at the end of this video. So I have the opinion that 99% of all meme coins are scams.
Yes.
Do you agree with that or no?
Yeah, I would say 99% or more are. But that's why I trade live streaming coins, because if someone makes a coin and it ends up being a scam or they rug pull, you'll remember their face, you'll remember a guy who took your money, and you'll never trade them again. That is why I can be so dead on with the 90% on the daily. But like it still gets me sometimes. I mean, because this just started 2 years ago, and you know, I was never like super successful in crypto, and then they just blew up. And you know what the most crazy part about all this is? I was able to pay my house off. I was able to pay my car off. I was able to get a new car, and I traded it and did it all with meme coins, 100%. That's all I've done for the past 2 years.
It is crazy to me, but I know it's true, so it is fabulous. I just know that like 90% of the people I talk to, they lost money in meme coins, but I think it's because they go in without a plan, probably.
Yes.
They probably put a lot of money in one coin and they think it's gonna keep going up, and then it just dumps, and at that point you made money already, I guess.
Yeah. So they're looking for like the hot trending coins. I'm getting in on these coins on the very, very, very bottom before they ever go trending. And that happens all the time, where I'm literally sometimes the first, second, sometimes even very first buyer of these coins that someone else made, putting my risk very, very, very minimal.
Okay. All right, guys. I mean, look, go and subscribe to Jay Spizzle and check it out. Apparently, you can make good money in meme coins. I had no clue, but that's great. And we will put the tutorial right here that you just talked about on my face. If you do want to learn actually how to use this platform called Padre, and with your strategies.
Yes, sir.
So leave a thumbs up, guys, and see you in the next video. And see you over at Jay Spizzles. Bye-bye.